When Samsung first launched the Galaxy Fold, we set an entirely new standard for the smartphone industry. With every generation since, we've reached new consumers who care about being ahead of the curve, and we've continued to innovate as expectations of our foldables have grown. We've never settled. At every turn, we overcame tough challenges and fully dedicated ourselves to delivering the most innovative devices possible. The fourth edition of our Fold is designed to address our consumers' biggest asks. Can the Fold be lighter? Can it be stronger? These questions present a paradox. Because to make a device lighter, you need to remove some of its components or use lighter materials, which may decrease durability. Our engineers tackled this paradox by making incredible improvements to the hinge and display. Introducing the latest model in our Fold series, redesigned and raising the bar like never before. The hinge is at the very heart of the foldable experience, powering the unparalleled flexibility that makes these devices so unique. The first 3 generations of the Fold used gear components, which enabled the screen to be folded and unfolded equally and seamlessly. However, that geared design made it difficult for us to reduce the weight and size of the Fold's hinge, but we knew we wanted that hinge to be slimmer. Our engineers confronted this challenge by developing a new, unprecedented solution. Instead of functioning with interlocking components, the hinge's new mechanism brings a rotational effect to a more traditionally linear motion. This change allowed us to slim down the Fold4's hinge, making it lighter overall. And even with major reductions in weight and size, this newly designed hinge is just as durable as the original gear-based construction, resulting in the slimmest and lightest hinge for our Fold yet. It's truly an amazing feat. But our engineers weren't satisfied with simply improving the hinge. We continue to search for other ways to make the Fold lighter without sacrificing durability. Our Fold's display is made up of multiple layers, including a metal layer that supports the display and protects the digitizer. But that layer adds weight to the device. To make the Fold lighter without weakening its display, we reimagined the Fold4's display design. We opted to remove the metal layer, and we strengthened the digitizer with fiber-reinforced plastic, a lightweight material used in cars and even aircrafts, to make it firmer. Then, we turned to the panel layer, which powers the light inside the display to show content on the screen. By upgrading a select layer of the panel with a stiffer material, we were able to enhance the protection around the numerous wires, so your viewing experience isn't interrupted. We also improved the damping structure with sponges to increase the amount of shock that the display can absorb. Instead of simply increasing the thickness of the sponge, we upgraded the material to improve the compression force deflection value of the sponge so that it can better disperse external shock. From our layer-by-layer improvements to our durability tests, our engineers crafted a device that performs at the highest level. The next generation of foldables. This is our lightest and strongest Fold ever, offering our consumers more rewarding experiences than before. we will continue to raise the bar and set new standards for the smartphone industry. And we'll do all of this together, with you.